Hey there, YouTube and campers. How you guys doing? Rand here again. Well, today we woke up, we were in Durango, Colorado. Pretty nice there. Nice blue sky. And we drove into town and saw that Durango train to Silverton, but we decided not to take it. We saw the train, we looked at it and everything, but it left at 9 o'clock and didn't get back till 6:30 at night. And we said, that's a long day. And then it goes up into the snow and everything. So it was a nice, it would have been a nice trip, we know that. But instead we elected to move on, and we went over here to, just down the street actually, to this national park over here called Mesa Verde National Park. And man, this is a big park. And it's all about the ancient Pueblo people back 1200, 1300, and how they built all these houses up against the cliffs here. And so we drove around, spent all day looking at that. So I'll add that to this video. And we had a good time, actually. We liked that. So anyways, by the time 3 o'clock came around, we had to get 20 miles and we had to drive 8,000 feet high. We decided, let's try and stay in the national park. So coming back, they do have a campground here in the national park. So we pulled in. It's all dry camping, but that's fine with us. We can go either way. So we got a spot here, and thought I would show it to you. Hold on. Okay, there's the campsite. I think they were filling up, but it only cost $17 to dry camp here. So I got everything hooked up. Well, what should I say? I got everything working. We got the awning out, got my weather vane out, and we're all level. I just had to put one block there. And we're in the national park. So for us, it was 17 bucks because we have the senior pass. Well, okay, we got a table and a fire pit, so we're going to do a fire later on and cook some hot dogs. But the sun's on this side, so over here we got the shade on this side where my slide out is. So we got out our chairs and sat over here, sitting in the shade over here until the sun peeks around or whatever. So anyways, okay, so solar power is working. Everything's working. We got TVs running. In fact, I got my dish TV, satellite TV up and running. I got that running on my batteries. So we got that working. And if we do need the generator, if it gets too hot, it's like 90 degrees, but it's like 80 degrees in the camper. But if it does get too hot, oh, there's another camper. Pop up. He's looking for a spot. But if I do need the generator, just push a button, I'll start my generator up. We can run till 10 o'clock at night, they say. And look, they got restrooms right there too. So I guess there's bears here and other kind of critters. And you notice I got right next to the trees. Huh. Oh well. We're not too worried about the bears. I'm not. Pat might be, but I'm not. See, they got a big bear warning right here. Well, they smell. Keep all your food locked up. But that's it, guys. Well, enjoy the video on Mesa Verde. We had a great time there today. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Okay. Well, take a look at this. We're at Mesa Verde's National Park here in Colorado. We're taking a tour of the whole thing. This is one of the scenic overlooks. Wow. We're driving up here in the truck camper. Truck camper's climbing up this mountain here and without a problem. Pretty cool. Hey, there we are. We're going to continue to go up. See what else we got to see here. Mesa Verde National Park. There's the road we're going to drive over there. Something's happening way over there. We got to go check that out. Anyways, here's the furthest point on this trail. Let's see what this is. Gotta admit, pretty awesome view. I lost Pam somewhere back up there. Okay, we're off to find some cliff dwelling somewhere. Spruce tree house. Well, this was a pit house. We got it all preserved inside this building.
Yeah. Maybe they're still working on it.
Huh. Okay.
I heard a couple. I'm sorry.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, there's a couple of them way over there. Wow. You might have to zoom in on that if you can. Over here, too, on this side over here, Pam. Can you see them over there under the cliffs?
Yeah.
There's a road on the other side, but it's up on top, and you can't be. We won't be able to see them from over there, huh? See those cars driving up? Wow. Oh, they hiked down from the other side.
Yeah.
You see it in there? Wow. What's it called? Ties Up Vine. Oh, I guess over there you can go from the top. So see where they're at over there at the top?
Yeah.
And look down. Wow. There's a tour.